Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Of course, we're filming here again at the MRP studios in the new work office. And if you're looking for anything to do interviews or podcasts or any kind of corporate videos, here is the place to do it. They have all the lighting and sound and probably all the equipment you would possibly need. So good Thursday morning. A lot happening this week, a lot happening on today. I can see that people are coming back to work and answering back emails. So we'll be quick because we know everyone's busy. We'll jump over to Winston to hear the Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, to hear about the headlines for the day, and then we'll come right back with some interesting information and the news.
Good Thursday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And the headlines include revitalization works are completed on Centrum Orlat in Wrocław. Focus Estate Fund has strengthened its commitment to ESG initiatives. Power Centre in Gorzów Wielkopolska is off to a good start. And green energy provider extends its lease at GLP Kraków Airport Logistics Centre.
So Winston, thank you for those headlines. A lot happening this week. Great to know. Anyway, we have on September 19th, we have our 20th anniversary party event in Prague at Slovansky Dum. Please join us for this in Prague. If you're flying in for the event, stay at, we would recommend that you stay at the Julius Hotel, because that is our official partner for the event, and we will really have a great time there. A lot of opportunities for networking and really just to find out what everyone's doing after the summer. Straight after that, Expo Real. We've got our real estate guide, our investment guide going out for that. Over 5,000 copies distributed just at Expo Real. So if you're interested in meeting those contacts, meeting those attendees, and if you've got something for them, projects, investments, loans, services, this is the edition to be in. And of course, we're covering all of Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, bit of focus on Serbia, of course, Montenegro, a lot of opportunities there if you're looking for a little bit out of the EU. Also, straight after Expo, we've got our CRE Awards 2 weeks after. CRE Awards in Budapest at the InterContinental Hotel. This is our 5th annual CRE Awards. A lot happening there. Most of the senior people from Hungary are already coming. We got a lot from Czech Republic, Slovakia, Serbia, of course, Montenegro, quite a few coming up. So big event, big regional event, Croatia as well. So it'll be great to see you all at that. The next week, we've got your whole social calendar planned. The next week in Warsaw, October 26th, we have the CEE Investment Awards, which is really the only true event where we get all the investors. This is the regional investor meeting point for Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe. So if you want to meet investors, developers, this is the place to meet them. We have a little bit of a forum during the day, great opportunities to network there. And then in the evening, of course, our CEE Investment Awards Gala, which is always sold out. So if you want to attend the event, if you want to put in nominations for either, now is the time. Now is the time to do it before Expo Real for sure. We'll be putting out the short lists. I think we got another 2 weeks before the deadlines of the nominations. Expo Real will be putting out, we'll be announcing the short lists, and then generally right after the events are sold out. So book your corporate tables now. Book any kind of marketing you want to do now for those events. Sorry. And so anyway, that's September, October. We'll come right back. We'll shoot over to Winston. Little break. We'll shoot over to Winston for the news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 5th annual Europa Property CRE Awards and the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the region. This year's awards really highlight the professionalism in the region, and with over 40% of the attendees flying in for the event, it is truly international. Meet the most active investors, bankers, and developers in the region. The CRE Awards is not to be missed. Visit our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Welcome back, and here are the news stories from today. So in Poland, buildings are responsible for around 38% of carbon dioxide emissions, and to comply with this ESG recommendations and market expectations, older buildings are being renovated to become more environmentally friendly. And a recent example of this is the Centrum Orlat in Wrocław, owned by Eventum Group's Quarton Fund. And according to Marcel Mihalafi from Eventum Group, shaping the future together is the motto of Eventum, and in line with our ESG strategy, together with Tetris, the general contractor, we have transformed Centrum Orlat into a building that is more sustainable and energy efficient. Staying in the ESG sector, and Focus Estate Fund has begun to convert its entire shopping centre portfolio in Poland to solar-powered facilities. Looking ahead, Focus is determined to extend this action through the planned implementation of larger solar stations across its Romanian portfolio by the end of the year. And according to Andrei Kozhin, the general partner of Focus Estate Fund, our dedication to sustainable practices continues to flourish. And our roadmap includes an exciting plan to install solar panels on the remaining 8 retail centres in Poland, thereby extending the positive impact of renewable energy. Staying in the retail sector, and the regional power centre in Gorzów Wielkopolska, jointly developed by Actium and Equilis, is off to a flying start. Well-known brands have joined the project, including Crop, House, Yisk, Diverse, Teddy and Maxi Zoo. And they are joined, or they've leased over 3,700 square metres in the new centre, and other brands already leasing space there include Sinsay, Decathlon, Biedronka, CCC, Half Price, New Yorker and Martis Sport. And there's many brands there that complete this offer for the project, which is, according to Tomasz Jopkiewicz, leasing director at Actium, the exceptional interest in our project in Gorzów is the result of both the fantastic advantages of the emerging shopping centre and the excellent cooperation and trust our relations with tenants shows. And finally, for today, GLP has completed the construction of its last warehouse near Krakow. Columbus Energy, a service provider in the modern energy market, has renewed its lease for 4,000 square metres at GLP Krakow Airport Logistics Centres. And according to Marcin Zukniewicz, a business development manager at GLP, with GLP Krakow Airport Logistics Centre now fully complete, we are excited to work with our top-tier customers on this strategically located, sustainable, high-specification site. And those are the headlines and highlights for today.
So, Winston, thank you for the news, and we will see you all Friday morning. We'll be filming this Friday at Panettone Cafe. So if you come a little early, if you want to come and maybe watch the filming, or if you want to come and have kind of business breakfast there, pop on in. 8:30, 8:45, we'll start filming at 9. It's always a little bit of fun as well. So we'll be there at Panettone Cafe on Friday this week. Normally film there Monday, but we'll film there Friday. And so we will see you all tomorrow morning at Panettone Cafe. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.